If you are a freelancer, you know the struggle, especially if you are a Nigerian. So you land an AI job or a remote gig, but your local card is rejected by ChatGPT, Cloud, Midjourney, and so on. And even worse, as a Nigerian, you have no way of receiving your hard-earned dollars. So in today's video, I'm reviewing this game changer. I finally found a way to get a personal US bank account and a virtual card that works right here in Nigeria. And because you are part of the Logic Income Academy tribe, I bought a link that gets you this card for just $1 instead of paying $10. That means you have 90% discount. Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how you can verify your DogPay account and complete your KYC. The supported apps such as OpenAI, Cloud, and so on, and how you can actually make use of DogPay even as a YouTuber to receive your funds, and even as a freelancer, and so on. So guys, before we get started, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. I'm sharing my personal review of this tool based on how I use it for my AI jobs. So guys, you need to make your own research before you jump on this. Alright, so guys, let's get into the video.
When you click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, you will be redirected to what you see right here. So you want to click on personal or business right there. So I simply click on business, and now you simply want to click on continue. So now after that, you want to enter your email, and after that you're going to receive verification code. So the invitation code right here, when you click on my link, you're going to get the invitation code right there. You can simply copy the invitation code and enter it right there. After that, you click on continue, and with that you'll be able to create your account. So now when you've created your account, the first thing you simply want to do is simply come right there. Alright, you want to come to this place and click right here. Now you simply want to scroll down and come to this KYC verification. So you need to complete your KYC in order to use DogPay, and all you need to do is simply submit your NIN, your voters card, and so on. As you can see right here, I have completed my KYC right there. As you can see, it has been completed. Now that's the first thing you need to do. And now guys, on the DogPay, this is what we have right here. So guys, we are going to take a look at all of them one by one. So guys, now as you can see, we have deposits right here. Users can actually deposit a stable coin such as USDT and also USDC into their DogPay wallet. So, and of course guys, deposited cryptocurrency can be quickly converted to USD asset based on real-time exchange rates and transferred to the payment card. So you simply want to click on the deposit. Now we have select recharge method right here. You can either pay with on-chain recharge or receive from another DogPay account. So you simply want to click on the receive from another DogPay account. So others can scan with the DogPay app to transfer funds to you, right? So they must be a DogPay user, and you can also make use of on-chain recharge right here. So you simply want to click on the select wallet. Maybe you want USDT or USDC. You simply want to specify right here. Now I'll simply click on USDT right here. So the recharge network right here, what is the recharge network you prefer? So you simply want to specify what you want right now. Maybe you want Solana, Ethereum. After that, you want to click on the confirm. Alright, when you clicked on confirm, you're going to get this. So guys, this is the address you simply copy. So when you copy this address, you can send USDT directly to this in order to fund your wallet. So you can actually come to Binance right here to also fund your wallet. So you can also do the same thing right here. Maybe you want USDC right here, or you simply want USDT, you can simply specify, and after that you want to write the amount right here, and you want to click on the confirm, and with that guys, you are simply good to go. Next one we have right there is simply withdraw. So you simply want to click on this withdraw. As you can see right here, you can also withdraw to on-chain withdrawal right here. You can withdraw cryptocurrency from DogPay to another wallet or exchange, or you can transfer to DogPay user right there. So we also have swap right there. Now you can swap from USDT to USDC right here. You can simply click on transfer next right there. So you can also transfer from USDT to the purchase card right here. So from your USDT, when you funded your account, you simply want to transfer from this USDT to your card. So guys, I'll show you how you can create your card right here, and also the supported apps right here on this platform. So you can also earn right here, as you can see right here. When you actually fund your account, you can come here and subscribe to USDC right here, or the USDT flexible redemption right here. So guys, there are loads of opportunities right there on this platform. So now another great thing about DogPay is this: you can easily create a USD bank account. As you can see right here, DogPay now lets you open a USD bank account, send and receive money, and manage your funds with ease. So to actually create an account right here, you simply want to click on the open account. So right here you can see this: the USD account supports local ACH/wire transfers. The account support international payments, USD only, non-USD auto converted, cross-border friendly. Alright, and after that, guys, you simply want to click on open account, and after that you are simply good to go. And right there we have card. So guys, this is very important. Now let me click on card right here. So this card right here is designed for people who work online or across countries, like freelancers, digital nomads, web3 users, and so on. So this card, it allows accounts opening, deposit, transfer, and online payment anywhere Visa or MasterCard is simply accepted. You can simply use this card. So now we have a virtual card and we have a physical card right here. As you can see right here, you can use this, and it has borderless spending, real-time rate, secure digital payment, and all in one card. And now this one is it is a physical card, and right now it is not available. No physical card. There are no physical cards available for application we are preparing. Now we have the virtual card. So right now for the virtual card, as you can see, the card fee right there, the card fee, which is 10 USD, and the card organization Visa, the card currency, which is in USD, and the card region America. So guys, you can use this card on the Open AI, Cloud, and so on. So now the monthly fee right here, this is simply amazing. It is 0 USD, which is simply amazing. So the monthly spending limits right here is unlimited, which is simply amazing. And now the current transaction fee right here is also 0 USD, and you can look at the transaction fees right here, the alt fee, the chargeback fee, and so on. So guys, now to actually create this card, make sure you are using the link in the description or the comment section so that you can get the 90% off. All right, so by actually using the link, you'll be able to create your card with 1 USD. all right, so now guys, now let's look at the support services right here. For the supported apps right here, we supported Google Pay, we have Apple Pay, we have Amazon, and we have for the AI we have Anthropic API, and we have Cloud, we have Midjourney, we have Open AI API, and also for the online payments we have Discord. And guys, this is simply amazing. They have Facebook right here, and you can also use this card on Telegram and Timo right here. So guys, this is amazing. This is simply amazing. Now the next thing you simply want to do right there is simply click on the create your card. All right, so you want to click on create your card right there. Now as you can see right here, your balance is insufficient. Please deposit to open a card. So I actually need to fund my account before I can actually create a card. So now this is what I actually noticed about DogPay. They have high compliance standards, utilizing some sub-driven KYC protection and PCI DSS security certification. And DogPay ensures a bank-grade payment environment, and DogPay also have global coverage, whether for online subscription or online purchases. So this is what I actually noticed about DogPay. And another thing I actually noticed about them is that they have low and transparent fees compared to traditional payment intermediaries. DogPay offers more competitive exchange rates and a more transparent fee structure.
So the 90% discount link is pinned in the comment section or the description of this video. Make sure you're fast about this before the promo ends, and so that you can start paying. So if you need video on how you can earn with AI or remote job, simply go to the description of this video. You're going to see the playlist on how you can make money with AI. So guys, with that you can actually make money and withdraw with DogPay. So this is what I have for you. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.